Hello, thank you for coming to my channel. I have 16 immediate hire data entry jobs that's going to put some money in your pocket today. Immediate, meaning they're hiring as we speak. So I want to get these out to you as soon as today, so you can click on the links and see which ones that are available in your area. If you would like more information on more data entry jobs or how to make money from home, side hustles, money making apps, consider subscribing to the channel, and you can see what videos that I have available today. I have a bunch of them, so subscribe to the channel. You can see what I have available and just go from there and start the process. Number one is called Blue Yonder, and you can work anywhere in the United States. This is a business to business appointment setter. You can make from $40,000 to $50,000 a year. Experience in appointment setting, 3 years of experience in appointment setting. 2 is called Fashion Workshops, and this is in Atlanta, Georgia, for my Atlanta, Georgia subscribers. Part-time rep, but I hope you live in Atlanta, Georgia. This is for you. This could be for you because it's from $9 to $10 an hour. 1 year in customer service. Number 3 is called Uplift. Don't forget to share the video as well, so you can help somebody out, as I hope that I'm helping you out and making a difference in your work from home woes or endeavors, helping you out any way that I possibly can. This is number 3 is Uplift Community Outreach, aka Solid Solutions, and this is in Atlanta, Georgia. Customer service professional, $9 to $14 an hour. Background check and the drug screening. 14 is BINGE Networks, Atlanta, Georgia. Client service rep, $10 an hour. Managed customer service requests via email, phone, and live chat. 5 is called TCPA Monroe, Georgia. I always give a brief summary of the jobs that I'm talking about, so you can have the option is this is the job you would like to have, or you even want, or just pass it. So I always give a brief summary of the jobs. That's what I do extra, and I like it. Executive administrative assistant. Medical experience knowledge is a plus for this position because you're going to be working in the medical field. 6 is called Romanoff Renovations, Atlanta, Georgia. Sales support, $13 an hour. Conduct outbound leads. Follow up calls to potential and existing customers via phone and email. 7 is called Stryker Tech Sales, field sales training, in-house product training. 8 is called Loggers Insurance, Macon, Georgia. Account manager, service and manage all aspects for commercial clients and their policies. That's number 8. Number 9 is called Equifax Alpharetta, Georgia. Sales director. You need a bachelor's in business for this position. 10 is called Sykes. That is so popular, and they hire it in Norcross, Virginia. Work at home, customer service support, answer back-to-back calls, and resolve issues in a remote, quiet space in your home. 11 is Child Development Associates, policy and analysis. Policy Analyst, $23.15 an hour. Associates in business knowledge of Windows, Outlook, and Adobe. 12 is called Secure.com Technology, Atlanta, Georgia. Customer service, $16 to $23 an hour. And this is a part-time position. Handle customers' inquiries and complaints. That's it. And you can make from $16 to $23 an hour. 13 is called Ben Collinger, State Farm Agent, Atlanta, Georgia. State Farm Agent, $30,000 to $40,000 a year. And you must have your property and casualty license. For this position, you can make up to $40,000 a year. full benefits. They offer full benefits. 14 is called Lawrence Paper, Atlanta, Georgia, virtual office assistant, $15 to $20 an hour. Excellent written and verbal communicational skills. 15 is called Hilton Inc., and this is a remote in Atlanta, Georgia, remote administrative assistant, $20 to $25 an hour. Excellent written and verbal skills as well. 16 is called Red Ventures, Atlanta, Georgia, sales, $18 an hour, full benefits, and there's time paid off. With that one, you can make $18 an hour, and they give you full benefits: medical, dental, and eyewear. Medical, dental, and eyewear, and you get paid time off. So those are some awesome opportunities. 16 to be exact. 16 immediate hire, work from home jobs that you can make money as soon as tomorrow. Click on the links that I give to you on the bottom when I finish the video and start the process. I want to say thank you for coming to my channel and showing love and support. And I want you to know I appreciate you every day. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I want you to know that. I want you to know I definitely appreciate. I totally appreciate you. I do. That's why I love bringing these jobs to you, so you can have an opportunity to work from home and make money. That's it. That's all I want for you, to be independent in your home, make money in your home, and pay your bills, buy you something nice, whatever you want to do. And that's about enough. And just thank you for coming to my channel and showing love. With that being said, thank you and enjoy the day. Stay blessed and God bless you. Bye bye for now.